we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 push-ups, leg crunch, hand crunch, plank, and burpees. Since it's just timely and ideally, if we were not here, it would be 15 minutes. But now that we're here, it's going to be 20 minutes. But if my father wants to change that time, we may be able to change it. Shall we say it together? Since you're learning how to read. Da, da, ear, ear, dear, 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 dear. I hope. I hope dear, 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 dear. I hope you have a nice exercise and mutton. Time. Stay active. It's good for your health. Stay active. It's good for your health. If you like. This is my father's diary. Maybe it is or maybe it's not. Look, I did a smiley face. And look, a big muscle. And each time, look, look please. Each time you learn, each time you do something new that's new to your body, the new your brain starts growing more neurons. And maybe the more you get to become strong.
Okay, سلام كمل ثانيكم. رأيت بالله كل جزء حدش نجار كلمة كلنا exercise خانة كلوي. تقول إن تفتح أمرنا خا حدش توهيتك ويك حدش نيرونز نا أمره نيرونز دبهانو يفتر مالتي سلزي حدش نجار كنجبر كنكلالنا every time حدش نجار كنجبر كنلامد كنكلالنا. برافو زعلي. انتي كيو welcome to
Ra'it test fun.
Test fun time مالتي.
Test fun means if you're very young, not under my age, like
Making sure.
it means that hopefulness. That means you're hopefulness. You're hopeful.
Right. لذي كله تسفى كجبر له. Okay. كل جزء مسؤول ما تاك جبر له. نتاك كله له active. تسفى. Active. Okay.
Can I just go to get a sip of water?
Yeah, نقدر حتى غسلت يعني.
Go get your water and go get it.
نسمع بس. أنا يدلني حجي. أنا كنجمر مو. Stretch.
Okay. And what do I have to do?
Well done. Draws are gonna.
Like this. Copy me. Like it's like walking like backward. And then out, here comes the edgy part, and then you have to pretend your hands are like things climbing up.
Okay, I'm just trying to share this so that people can join us. Carry on. Keep stretching. Keep stretching. Keep the stretching, girls. Keep stretching, let's see. Well done.
Like a cat. If you have cats, you'll often see them do like this when they wake up. Oh, yeah. Look, like this. Look. Start getting distracted. You're like this, get in your push-up mode. And then moves. Hurts. Which one? down. I want you to do exactly how you do push-ups. Up.
Okay. سلام نقعد على مጻኹም كلكم تخيلكم شر بلو أنا مش هكذا بلو ثانية بزح سبنا نفكر You ready?
Okay, yeah.
Who's
ready to exercise?
It's gonna get harder. Okay. What's the most important part of exercise?
Have fun. Have
Yeah.
fun.
And what's the other most important part of exercise?
Make sure everything's stretched.
Yes. Check, 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 check. Okay, ready? All right, then let's go stretch. Let's see. Stretch. Start here. No. Get back. Knees straight. Let's see. Knees straight. Brows are valley. Look. Well done. And now you go. Walk. Stop. And then deep in. Oblala.
Hey, I remember we did this yesterday. I hurt my back.
Stretch it. Push it. Stretch it. Oblala. But. تملسوسي. No, eat كترة. No. What's up?
My back.
Oh no, don't say that yet.
Oh, no.
No, don't say that. Okay, ready? Let's go. Hey, give it. Come on. Let's go. Plant. Let's go. There. And then deep place it. And then up.
That
Stretch.
hurts when Daddy, look. When I do this. Look. Okay, let me show you the part when I look. Here it comes. Ouch.
There you go. That's brilliant. Then you go back like that, and then you come back up. This is stretch every muscle in the body. Okay.
But it hurts my back.
Okay. Cheating is not allowed. All right.
I'm very cheeky.
زي ما نرجع نبلا حسام موسى قالي زي أنا بقبل حسام تستاني بسي. I think that's better. Okay. هجي leg stretch. Yeah. انتهينا نقبل. كاريتا. On your knees.
Then this is exercise.
Okay.
This is exercise. You really want this.
Oh yeah, that's exactly. Except this one comes now. This one now comes. Browse actually.
No, Daddy, not this. This is
Oh, you want to do this stretch? Okay. Well, let's see our question. Hana lomi. Let's see our question.
That's good.
That's good. Yeah.
Hurt.
See, right? You can.
Now we've been doing this. It's really slow.
Hosi is leading. Hosi is the coach. Come on, let's do it. Hosi. Ajil, right. Look right. Take the brala. On your knee, Hosi. And then cross your leg. Look. On your knee and bring this across. No. In the front. Up. Hosi. Come on. Concentrate. Bring this here. And then fold it and then lean on it. And send this one back. Send it back straight. Now lean straight. Look forward. There you go. That's what we do. This hurts. This is so painful. But it's good for the body. What muscle are you stretching now? The glute?
The glute.
Yeah, and the thighs. The glute is the muscle on the back.
Oh, it's attached.
To the hip.
The
Quickly. Action! Guys, have fun. The most important abzi is fun. Fun كله خلالنا وكلاتنا. نجيكم قبل نكلالنا. The most important part is fun.
Fun.
And then the next important thing is stretch.
Fun. Stretch.
Okay, calm down, girl. Okay, calm down. Stretch. Let's see. It's gonna get harder. دابا ارتعتي تحت كي تحجي. Stretch قبالي.
I love you, my mouth. I love my mouth.
Ooh, this is hard.
I love you, my baby. I love you, my baby.
Okay.
I
Okay,
love
now-
you, baby.
This is out of the line. Okay. Let's
Now,
go. Straight. Knees, legs straight.
what am I going
Forward.
to do?
Forward. Come. مساي مساي. مساي أخوي.
No.
أبا. أمي تدخل. أدخل أمي.
Is it this? Go there? Is it this?
No, we're gonna do this. Up,
Oh.
up. Chest out. Yeah.
Like on
Hands. Let's see. Hands next to your bottom.
private.
No, not private. Here. Hip next to hip.
Okay.
Let's see. Chest out. Good.
Is
And
that
now
like
up.
when
Ooh, this is hard. Up. Up. Up.
Oh, I do not feel like you.
Yeah, Nick. This need you. No, not you. Hassan. It's okay. Okay. Chest out. Chest is out. This will be chucked in. Yeah. Just don't go back. Forward. Stay there. Hold. See. Get back to your position. Okay. Nari. زياد قرب كبدي لا. Okay. Now. Then lean over. Hold your leg and kiss your knee. Oh, this is good. Oh, see. Stop cheating.
Now can we do this?
All the way down. All the way down. All the way. Well done, Christine. Well
Do
done.
this. It really gets your muscles on your toes
Yeah.
working.
Yeah. So, نريد حدا كزين نتقام زياد. Thumbs up.
And when you do this,
Let's talk in action, girls. زين أنا دكو.
I got it.
Let's see. Concentration. Focus. Concentrate. Okay. Let's see. Legs up. Straight, all the way straight. This up. Toes forward like this. Like this, brother. And now, hands here. In your shin. Hands in your shin. Here, abzi. Abzi. Kurruku. Abzi. Barra'ito. Isn't that bad? Barra'ito. Barra'ito. Kurruku. Ankar ankarit. Okay. كبد اجري. كبد اجري. Okay. اجي اتكي عبايتنا اجرون سيو. We will send you to mommy if you don't focus.
Mango. I see it in there.
Yeah, it's all happening. Okay. نريد اجري نابز جبريو. زي خمس مزمزات كم زي مشي لالا سبت بر. أبزيد كل حاجة كلها بدي حد بركري يهمكي. ها؟ تصبح. الله.
It hurt
Yeah,
at
it's
the
all-
very top.
نريد.
Here, Daddy.
نريد. What?
Here.
No, it shouldn't hurt there. It should hurt here. Here. Keep doing it right. Now, hold it there. And then the plan is to kiss your knee. Oh, it's painful.
Ouch.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Just cut some knee.
Huh?
Ignore.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I swear, that was
The
on the
height.
needle.
Oh, we'll check it.
That was on the waterproof needle.
No way.
Anyways,
تحرك الرجل.
it was in a blanket for them.
Okay, come on. 15 minutes لا مو بزيادة تودع. We need to concentrate if you want to be champions. Come on. Champions, what's the difference between a champion and not champion?
Champions.
Yeah.
Even if it's so hard, they ignore the hardness and keep on going, keep on going, keep on going, keep going,
They
keep
stay?
going, keep focused.
Come on, concentrate, everybody. Are you a champion?
Yeah.
What's the difference between a champion and not a champion? You don't need to go there. You can sit down.
Champions.
Yeah.
Oh, whenever they just finish something and they just start the day, and if it really pains me, oh, I'm not gonna do this.
It hurts and then they stop. And champions, they carry on.
Yeah.
And non-champions, champion they they're not focused. They try this, they stop and try another one. They don't see it through. They حنتي جمهور شو عرفت حنتي غد شو عرفت حنتي غدو بقى شو لا حنتي.
And you find the power of strength.
Yes, come on now, concentrate. Last stretch.
Like Daddy. It's a secret.
Okay, let's go.
Why are you covering one of your eyes?
You froze me like that.
That's a kind of exercise.
Look, come on. Hold those hands like that. Let's do this properly so that we can have our juice. Okay, ready? Okay, now stretch is done. Done. Stretch is done.
Oh, I now remember. We do.
What's the first one?
Let's go. Oh, push-ups.
The first one is push-up. Show. Leg crunch. Show. Hand crunch. Show. Planks. Show. Burpees. Come on. Position. قرب لنا وراي بالك. لا نبزق.
It's like what it was flying.
Okay, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, you're ready. Are you ready to get to your muscles?
Yeah. Comes 3 ولا ما أنتي؟ Focus مقبار علينا. Okay. Have fun and enjoy. That's the whole point.
And make sure you get your body stretched.
Yeah.
If you get wrong, no body stretching again.
Okay. Ready? Position. Ready? Hossi.
Yeah.
This time you have to do it. Okay. Position. Okay. Belly on your belly. Get down. Hands up. Out. Bring it back. Up. Harder. Down. Hands up. Bring it up. Back. Up. Good. Out. Back. Chuck elbows into the ribs. Up. Hold on.
If I did it wobbly, I'm
Concentrate. The more you talk, the more you're gonna get tired. Now it's time. We started and we're gonna push. Out. Up. Celeste. أربعة. برافو. عموشته. نفعتي. أنا. شدشت.
أنا.
حيالي. أنا. يخلي. أنا. كجبري. كجبر إيه. أنا. أكتيفي. أنا. نفعتي. أنا. أنبسطي. أنا. جيناي. Yeah.
It's not that.
Up. Concentrate. There are children watching you, so you have to concentrate. Leg crunch. Give space right there. No, you need to concentrate. Otherwise, nobody wants to spend time irrelevantly. If you're not focused, then everyone will go and they will have other things to do. You need to concentrate and show them what you want to do. What's the next one in the plan?
Okay, we're gonna do now leg crunch.
Leg crunch. Okay. Forward. Well done. Okay, so that's the أربعة hands free. أو مشكلة.
Well, you see, well, I know it.
Well done.
Because I'm on the blow out.
Show us.
He slapped me on my head. Sorry. Guess what? I'm not blocked. I'm a text seven.
Where are you going? Come on.
Sorry. I don't know how.
Celeste. Celeste أربعة.
Oh, sorry.
Celeste مشته. Celeste شجشته. Celeste شوعته. Celeste شومته. Celeste شعته. إسرع. إسرع حالا. إسرع كلتن. ثلاثة Yeah. Okay, that's brilliant. Now, hi buddy. If you want to show people something, we shouldn't say this. You should know it by now. You don't get carried away. You have to stay on track. This is why you have it written. Okay, monsieur? Now you've done really well the first two. Come on, out. Next one is hand crunch. We will do 12 on each hand, okay?
Okay.
No, that's plank, Monsieur. That's the next one. Give me a little bit of space, Ravani. Monsieur, give me a little bit of space. Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
نغيت. حادة. كلتة. ثلاثة. أربعة. خمسة. شدشتة. شوعة. شمونتة. تسعة. عسرته. سبحانه. سبحانه. What? Amazing. Enough. You need it for later. Okay. Hand crunch. Okay, let's go. حادة. كلتة. ثلاثة. أربعة. خمسة. شدشتة. I am strong. شوعة. شمونتة. تسعة. Okay, go for it. Well done. Come on, see. Well done. Hands open. Like that. Well done.
Keep them
Oh, this is amazing.
Keep them bumping into me and then I keep them banging my elbow
sorry.
in there.
I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry. You did really well.
And it starts hurting.
You did really well.
Now look. That's the time. Look at me. What?
This is the first cycle. Come on, we've got more to do.
I just saw something.
What's the next one?
swell up.
Yeah,
What was that?
I think it was Dumbo. Dumbo يا مسلم حليفة. حاجة كلها ثلاثة. Let's go. What's the next one?
Daddy, yay, Buppy!
That's it.
Buppy.
Okay. Next one we do will be burpees. Burpees is going to be hard. Hard but fun. 10 غلطة نقدر. 10 غلطة كنا قلنا نغلينا على 4 نشتري اللي عرفنا. قلت حن سايكل 10 غلطة ثلاثة. Why would I remove? Are we exercising or climbing? Come on, I gotta get down. Action. We need to stay focused. Let's see.
I'm gonna get all my energy.
Okay, now back. Let's see. People are waiting for us. Be careful. This might get you. Okay. When you get back up, be careful. Okay. Who's ready?
We are.
Some Harry saying, I am the big guy. And she's watching from America.
What?
Yeah.
Daddy, look.
You'll talk to her later.
I am more bigger.
I know.
And I like one. And mine.
Let's see. Let's concentrate on that.
Slipta.
No, harder. Up.
You see.
Harder. Well done. Kulete. Celeste. Well done. Arba'ate. Come on. Concentrate. Hamushte. Push up. Up. Come on, do it like that.
Okay.
Don't get clumsy.
Okay.
You're better than that.
And then we start with me together.
Okay.
Are we done?
Yep.
Do this.
Do this.
Go down.
Good one. Up.
Down.
Well done. Thank you, Rosie. Should dish there. Shoate.
Can you teach
Jump.
me more?
Well done. Yeah, between here and here, there is no time. Okay? Well done.
Oh,
And then when you come up, the same. There is no time. Let's see. Be careful of this, okay? Up. Jump up. Up. You don't sit there forever. Okay, ready? Show me that.
Wow.
Shot it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. One more. Yeah. Come on, this is amazing. You're the best. Okay. That's it. You will need it for next position. she's married. Okay. Well done. Okay, now position.
That leaves a mark.
Yeah, come on. It's always been there. Position. Proceed. Position. Okay. Hands into the elbow. Okay. Ready? Out. Up. Harder.
Why do you have to do this all over again?
Good. That's done how you test if you're a champion or not. Oh, you okay?
This is how Katie's.
The reason why we stick our hand up is to make this muscle very difficult to make strong, extremely strong, okay?
Yeah.
Ah! Okay. Up. When you put it forward, put it up. Well done. Oh my goodness. Up. Daddy. Yep. Show at it.
When I didn't go to sleep.
Let's talk in more action. Up.
But baby, yes, in my accent.
Show Monte. Okay. Two more. Up. Acerte. This is hard. Up. Acerte hade.
That's two. Two is two. One is one. Three is three. Five is five. Four is four.
Okay.
Five.
Leg cruncher.
Five would be 20.
Okay, next cycle. Come on. Next cycle.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Two is two. And one is one.
Once this is over, this one has been ready. This is what we have for breakfast every single day.
Not every single day.
Except when you have the porridge.
Yeah. But one day I cannot wait to have Weetabix.
Yeah. So Weetabix, we call porridge. With the fibers little boy. Zigun, avocado, mango, fiber, blueberry, and then the protein shake. Tri-blend malati. This is the tri-blend in here. And then spinach. This is what we've got in here.
I thought it was remaining lettuce.
Pussy, come back. Position. No, push up back on and leg crunchy. Come on, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, hadi. Kulite. Right, Wale, why do you need to go all the way there? Come back here.
Okay.
Then you go back with it where you started, okay? Yeah. So let's stay. Alright. Well done. Okay. Shoate. Shomante. Chate. Acerte. Acerte hade. Acerte hade. Ooh.
You okay?
You're pushing me, Ozzy. Okay. Acerte hade. Acerte hade. That's it. Done. Now, what happens next? The horizontal. The horizontal.
Why do you have to do
The
it all
horizontal.
over again?
Right, Wale, this is how you become a champion. Other people have already quit, you know? People have already left. You know why? Because it gets harder. But if you're chunking, you get to push a little bit more than what anyone could do. Okay? So you finish the cycle. I will do the third one on my own, okay? Come on. A lot of people have already given up. So many people, but you haven't, and you haven't. You two are the champions already. Ski abzi. نبتاع exercise كرنا مقطعنا نسدراهم كم تريدوا لهم ويتسرحوا لهم. Give us a thumbs up. وي حدا يتحفلنا من على بزم نسدرو خوين دري. مصدقوا خوين exercise together. Come on. Is it fun? Are you having fun? Okay, stay back. Okay. Yay, there are people working with their children. Some kids are still pushing. Come on.
Oh my god.
Yeah. We can't lose to them. Competition is real. Come on. Ready? Position. عادة. كلته. ثلاثة. أربعة. خمسة. شدشته. شوعته. شمونته. تسعته. عشرته. عادة. كلته. Right. Great. Yes, we can.
I finished.
Almost. Now plank.
Plank, and then the last one.
Burpees, and then we finish with that one. You will finish with that one. I'll have one more to go. Come on, position now. Come on. This should be fun. Are you having fun? That's the most important part.
Remember, kids. The last part, but this is the last cycle for the kids. The third cycle will be for the grown-ups. The kid. What?
It's too much. It's too much for adults too. I can't do this.
Come on, Daddy. So, you can have a break for this last cycle. This last cycle is the last cycle for the kids. The last one is
I
for
know,
the
because I'm
grown-ups.
working hard.
The
You're not
kids
working.
can have a break
Okay.
when you finish the
That's amazing. Kids have done so much here. Come on, position. Haji,
I don't know.
come on,
What?
position.
I am.
Position. Right, buddy, position. Let's look at more action. Some kids are working when we are talking. So, what's next? Planks, yeah? Hold it there. Hade. ثلاثة. Well done, Lucy. ثلاثة.
Daddy.
أربعة.
This was the play.
خمسة. شدشتة. سبعة. ثمانية. Well done. تسعة. little faster now. عشرة. عشرة حاجة. I can't believe I got it. This is amazing.
This is the very last one for the kids. Now,
There's burpees.
kids, look at your muscles. If you want, you can look at mine.
And then look in your neurons as well. It makes you intelligent, doesn't it?
I'm
No, wait. The last one, burpees. Burpees, wait. You will do burpees measure better.
Burpees! Yay!
Come on. Harder. Kalista. Celeste, well done, Lucy. Oh, with my leg!
Sorry.
It's okay.
7.
أربعة. خمسة. شدشتة. سبعة. We're more than half. ثمانية, we've done 2/3. تسعة. 10. 2 more. The last one will be absolutely right. Jump, pussy, and then back, and then up, power up. That's my girl. Give high five. Give it a high five.
No.
Put this on first. Wait.
Kids time.
Wait. Start.
Is this that?
Yeah.
Good. Press.
It's okay. Let it go. I say let it go. Magic is happening.
Thank you very much.
Wait. I haven't finished. I've got this for you. This is the youngest.
If we make juice, a tiny bit. If you make juice, make.
Okay, let me.
All of the vitamins.
So this has all the vitamins. It's as healthy as any food. What's here? You're pushing me. Oh, I'll take it out. Don't worry.
No, there's something that's big.
That's the spinach.
But it's not been squashed.
That's fine. We'll squash it again. Not a problem at all.
And that's yours. And this I hope you had a lovely day, kitty kids.
Okay.
We've had so much fun together.
Yeah. Wait. Stay back.
If you're right, I'll soon update a bit. Hopefully my father will help me update a big school where I can use me and all of the kids can learn math. And if my father is available, since I do not even know mathematics.
What? You know, but
mathematics, like
yeah, that's maths. That's mathematics. Is maths.
Mathematics, like
Algebra.
No.
Geometry.
No.
Quad plus.
No. Remember
Trigonometry.
No, Daddy. Remember the story from NASA?
Oh yeah.
The black girls that was.
Yeah.
We'll be able to learn maybe different from them since they had a bad education. And also, if you write your child's name down, I'll be able to register them for the entire
learning process.
Yeah, learning process.
Okay. So ነትዮም ኣብዚ ደለኹም ኣበየሎ ብዘየገድስኩም ከምቲ ናይ ካህን ኣካዳሚ ንሕና ደቅና ኮሚኒኬት ክገብሩ ዝኾኑ ፕላትፎርም ምፍጣር እዩ
Maybe you can choose. CAD Academy is made from English, and it has everything you can learn. Or mine, it has vocabulary, maths, mathematics. We can even build a website where you can put things together to make to make something.
Right. Too much working for you, for a little girl. Now you sit here and watch Daddy sweat.
Okay.
How cool is that?
Goody.
Yeah, how do you like it, Jess?
Oh, I liked it when I tried it.
Tell them.
Great.
You can tell them about it, Jess, if you like. That's the most important thing. Kids have to eat.
There's some soup that when you were holding it was.
I washed it. It's fine. There's a tiny bit. Kids should eat right? Mm-hmm. Okay. So last round, very last round. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. Zarit. زيادة adults يا مالتي. Okay. Less than 5 minutes كنودع لنا. Close the door right away. Right. Up. هذا. Good. Alright. Oh, shit.
But I think I forgot that I thought I had a lid maybe and I could have stole it.
It's okay. Okay, go to the toilet then. Put it on the table first.
Daddy.
How's that was here? It's okay. Oh, you've changed it already? Okay. Okay. Acerte.
First after that's me.
What? Do more. So hadi. Acerte. Oi, I was not expecting you there. Do it.
I didn't expect you there.
Right.
I'll take this off.
Yeah, sure. Oh, we should pay. Don't worry about it. Right. كبدة مغناس سقع فندق عشان كخون يبلون. That's the easiest thing. دقنا لنا قرن حرالي نسيو.
I tried to give up earlier. I was trying to take my job, but then I remembered. Remember, champions will not stop in between.
True.
So I just carried on.
نسخاني جزار نسخة champion كتكون تخليها. Last exercise. كبدة كنت كنس دليها. Well, بديت كمان تيبل كي؟ كي تقدر نقول عشاء.
Okay.
Up the table.
I found one. I'm just joking.
نغيت. مغنيات راح يخلي مليئة عنها. مغنيات مليئة. مغنيات مليئة. كم زي كانت خير الغامش. كم زي عيلو دخيت فلت وسب نهرالي. كم زي عيلو دخيت فلت وسب نهرالي. You got it younger, it's a choice. نريد أن نريد الله. نريد. كم زي أحسن تبان على كاتن كودات. Let's go. انتهي رأيها. طعنا ولا مع زمزم. Let's go. This is the last part. So we're pushing the button and stay. Right. It's a hand crunch. Okay. Let's go for the hand crunch. It's a lot of fun. Mr. Brown got to go over nigger. Can't I'm at the Zarab TV. Yeah. Let's go. Keep it real. Ade. Litte. Celeste. أربعة. خمسة. شدشة. شوعة. شمونة. تسعة. عشرة. عادي. ثلاثة. بس إيه. بس يكون أكيد متى كالس كده. This is for you too. How did you like it? طعم؟
But Daddy, too much meat makes my body hot.
Yes, I wouldn't. Take whatever you want and then you can start.
I thought I was
Don't come like that. Top first. Since that's not our tradition.
What?
Topless is not our tradition. Put a dress. Have a shahlan if you want. Okay.
Is that one person?
You want more?
Yeah. Is that one person? Yeah.
Hmm?
Is that one person?
Well done. That's about modesty.
That's one.
Kadan Mughadan is the most important thing in our culture. Okay? You have to wear, you have to get yourself covered properly. It's called modesty. Next, planks. Alright?
Do you like how I just that?
It's wonderful, yeah. Plank. How
I
honest.
become the one take the best.
How honest to that.
Buckets too.
Hadi. Glitter. Celeste.
And then look at
Arbaata.
the bucket.
You're talking too much, girl. Khamishle. Well done. Shudishte. Shwate. Umante. Chate. Aserte. Narido. Aserte. Aserte. Okay. Narid. 15 minutes. That's all you need. Then I'm going to exercise. 15 minutes good. I'm sure I could do. Celestian, how much out line was that? Look. Is it too much?
I'll change because it itches me.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, I'll stay right back. You can sit here. Let me get this. Just make sure you don't get anything into my computer. Right. So now my shop is burpees. Burpees, this is what it makes. So مسارح عايد لكم لا مسارح بوتا عايد لكم ولا جزية ثلاث عايد لكم. Not yet. Someone who is very good in drinking will always get stronger and brighter. Agree?
That's that.
Okay. Of course, I'll put it here, don't worry. Let me try to exercise. So, wake Shamunu Hiska. Shamunu of the second cat because you're full of excuse. I'm not the Kaikon, so the Raikon, so I keep on it, so the Haikon. It's all here. Let's go. Do it right. Do it right.
Who I saying that to?
Huh?
Who I saying that to?
What?
Who are you saying that to? To an invisible person?
No, there are people there. I'm watching you. Okay.
He's saying this properly to the people who look down.
Let's go. تحت جزء قالوا لي سمعك عنيو. مغنياتو بميراس لا تزلل. One more. Right. So, قليل ديو. No. يقال ديو. يقال يطرح ديكونس. يدلي يون. Okay? I'm a man. That's the thing, you see. Right. So.
Daddy, look. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, sure.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Two sides, yeah? So you call it not 6-pack, but 8-pack. No, you don't
What
do
about
that.
mine?
You have better one.
8-pack?
I'm guessing I didn't answer that. And this is what you get.
Fine.
I'm guessing I'm going to enjoy that. So what is your excuse? Ask them, what's your excuse? Highly American? It's sweaty. دغم تبلا لها كم تراجع جيفو مساحة تعارينات مثل شكور دم بزحي سبحي وكوليسترول.
How many eyes does Daddy have?
I have 4 hands now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 6 hands. كنت يدعلني من على زي عطر الفلت. كنت الفلت سوالو. كنت يدعلني. Put your hands out. كنت يدعلني. How many hands do I have? حادة، ثلاثة، ثلاثة، أربعة، خمسة، شدشتة.
You have 4. 1, 2.
I'm almost an octopus.
3, 4.
I'm almost an octopus.
And you have 4 then.
Okay, no, I
4
don't know.
eyes, 2 noses, 2 mouths, 4 ears.
Okay. Okay, I need to finish this thing. Right. እግዚአብሔር አቀድሞ ብሩክ መዓልቲ